Hey guys, JBEXPRESS here. Just wanted to show you guys my new copper wire stripper that I got off of eBay. Won a bid and I got it for a pretty good deal. It's pretty nice, durable, heavy, aluminum. It either came with a crank or you can hook the drill up, power drill up to it. What you do is you feed the wire through here, the blade. You tighten the blade down to the position where you want. You're going to tighten it down with this. And right now I got this spool of wire sitting here. And I'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright. Alright, just that fast. Let me show you. Put my bucket in. Just that easy. Saves lots of time. Snip the end off. And there you go. There you have it. A bunch of wire down there in the box with the rest of my wire I've done. I got another spool there. I got two more there. I got two more there, four more there. Well, you can't see them back there, but what's that? 4, 7, 8, 9, 10 spools of wire that I have to do. Yeah, this thing's pretty good. Alright guys, later. Guys, let's try this again. Try it with the spool. The spool's right there. Sorry about the light, bad lighting in here. Alright, let's try this again. Okay, let's look at this. Cut that off. there you have it. What was that? Probably less than a minute. I got all this copper here. It's a lot. Goes right in the bucket with the rest of it. Alright guys, JBEXPRESS here. Alright, I'm probably done for the night. I already did 2 spools of wire. And the outcome for today is all this. I don't know how many pounds it is right now. I'll weigh it later. I'll weigh it tomorrow at work. I'm taking it to the scrapyard tomorrow. So, yeah, pretty good. This took me about maybe 15 minutes or so to do. So, the copper wire stripper is very handy. If I was to do this with a blade, it would take me all night. So, yeah, very handy. Again, you can check it out on eBay. You know, if you're a serious wire stripper, this right here is the thing to get. You know, it's not expensive like some of those ones on there that are $200, $300, $400. So try to get one as cheap as you can. It was under $100. Alright guys, JBEXPRESS signing out. Please subscribe, comment, like. More videos to come. Later.